Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Jamaica National Financial Group has announced the retirement of Managing Director Curtis Martin, effective July 1, 2025. Earl Jarrett, CEO of parent company JN Group Limited, described Martin's contributions as valuable to its transformation since joining the group in 2013. Martin was previously in the executive team of Capital and Credit Merchant Bank, which was bought out by JMMB. And Martin is a former chairman of the Jamaica Stock Exchange and Jamaica Central Securities Depository. He remains a director of JCSD and a JCSD Trustee Services member. Hugh Miller, Chief Treasury and Investment Manager at JN Group, will assume the role of Acting Managing Director of JN Financial Group Limited. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Statin, has announced a 1.1% increase in economic output for the January to March period of 2025. The Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, JMEA, and the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce, JCC, have responded positively to news of Jamaica's economic recovery after 2 quarters of decline. Kamisha Turner-Blake, JMEA Executive Director, told RToday.com that, however, we must remain vigilant and proactive. Jamaica's gross domestic product declined 3.5% in the July to September 2024 quarter, following the passage of Hurricane Beryl to the south of the island on July 3. For the trading period ending July 4, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited, with 9,691,753 units traded, representing 43.35% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited, with 3,570,055 units traded, representing 15.97% of market sales volume. University housing provider 138 Student Living Jamaica Limited, with 2,073,543 units traded, representing 9.28% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On July 4, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $45.31 million purchased and US $38.84 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $2.27 per dollar, selling the US at $160.77 and buying the US at $158.50. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 49 cents per transaction, with selling at $118.52 and buying at $118.03. The British pound yielded Forex traders $6.47 in profits, with selling at $220.24 and buying at $213.77. For our credit report tip of the day, before you apply for a mortgage, there's a wave of costs that hit you first. Land surveys, architectural plans, soil tests, permits, and approvals. And these aren't optional, they're required. Your credit score can help you handle these upfront expenses with strategy instead of stress. A strong credit score gives you access to flexible funding, so personal lines of credit, low interest credit cards, and short-term loans that can cover the background work required before you ever reach the mortgage table. Your credit score positions you as a low-risk, serious buyer to vendors, surveyors, and government agencies, allowing you to move faster, negotiate better, and stay focused on your goal. And that is owning income-producing property without unnecessary delays. Now, when you're building something from nothing and you're moving from financial recovery to financial resilience, let's be real. Money tracking can feel like tight in your chest, like a breath you're holding, especially when you're rebuilding. But what if tracking your spending didn't have to feel like punishment? What if it became a ritual of self-respect? As a professional woman over the age of 45, you've carried dreams, built careers, poured into others, and now it's time to pour into you. So here are some ideas. Set up automatic savings for recurring goals. Schedule weekly financial check-ins in your calendar. Use bill pay reminders and auto pay to reduce stress. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.